If you ever need to look at the setup criteria for a particular database, again, once you open a standard database, if it's just a brand new database, it's going to have template or default settings in there. And in most cases, those are not going to be applicable to an ASA meet. But if you have to check and see if a particular meet is set up correctly, or you need to change any of the setup criteria, we'll go up to Setup. And if you go to Meet Setup, this is where you'll change particular items for the meet, whether it's the meet name. Say we forgot to put a year in there. Let's input the correct year. Say the meet's not at St. Ives, it's at Hillbrook. Say you wanted to input the meet address or anything of that nature. You can find all that information under the Meet Setup screen. Say the date of the meet changes or anything like that. This is also, if you ran into a situation where your database were calculating the ages incorrectly, you would go look at the age update here and make sure that's correct for the proper year and month and day, June 1st of the current year. Other items would be, again, meet type and any of these things of this nature, but you can, again, most of these things ought to be correct. Once that's done, if you click OK, that's your meet setup screen.